Hey, what is up, guys? So I am actually at Xi'an already. We got here today and we checked into our hotel and we ate dinner and everything was really good. So right now, Dom's just gonna take a shower. I'm gonna go out for a walk and try to get some pictures. And the old city is preserved very nicely. So they actually have this wall around the city that you can actually go up and walk on. So it's really interesting. And this city was actually the capital city for 13 different dynasties until the last two dynasties decided to move to Beijing. So yeah, this is definitely a city with a lot of history, and I'm gonna show you guys around. I'm gonna go out, take a quick walk, and show you guys around the city. So the reason why I'm going out right now around 9 p.m., it's really late, was because it was raining for the entire day. And we actually got lucky because Beijing was raining a lot as well, and Xi'an was raining a lot. A lot of flights were getting delayed left and right, so it's very fortunate that we were actually able to make it here. Because I heard some people's flight actually got delayed by quite a lot, so yeah, I actually feel pretty lucky to be here. So the wall around the old city is actually really well preserved, and you can actually walk on the wall, and a lot of people actually jog on it, which I'm planning to do hopefully in a couple days. And if you run the whole loop around the wall, it's actually just around 13 kilometers. So you can see across the road, that's where the wall is, and it goes the full circle for 13 kilometers. There's some street artists there performing. I wonder if there's a way for me to get up the wall right now. Oh. 上不了. Oh, okay. Oh. Yeah, so there's a place to sell tickets, and I think you would need to buy tickets to go up here. And I think they closed. Let's see their hours. The hours is 8 to 10 p.m. and some are 8 to 8. So a bit late today. Oh, I see people coming down. So I am within the wall now, and unfortunately I can't go up like what you just saw earlier. There is an operating time for though to get up the wall. Small but busy intersection. Ooh. Thought about crossing for a split second, and then cars are just charging on me. Looks like it's a mall beside me, and all they have at the mall are restaurants and hotels, I guess. But yeah, there's a lot of food places here. This makes sense. It's a Saturday evening, so everyone's out. It looks pretty busy, but I feel like I've seen busier, so it's not that bad. There's a lot going on both sides of the road. Pretty nice. And actually, I'm glad it kind of rained, so the temperature is actually a lot lower. This place is known to be really hot, but because of the rain, it's not as hot today anymore, which is pretty nice. I wonder what this is. right? I guess we definitely know where young people like to hang out on weekends. There's a lot of young people around here hanging out. Definitely seeing a lot more than what I have been seeing in Beijing in the last week. Okay, I see the tower now. It's right in front of me. Right over there. You guys can see, it probably looks tiny right now, but that's where I'm gonna be walking towards. And the roads are busy. Oh, it's a mall over here. So much stuff happening right now. It's pretty cool. This place, I don't know, definitely feels more lively than when I was at Beijing. Or maybe we're just at the wrong places. We're getting closer. You can see a lot of people taking pictures here. Okay. This place is busy. Yeah, I saw a lot of girls dress up to take photos in front of here. The Xi'an clock tower. It's currently 9:30 p.m. and it's busy as hell. Look at that. Ton of people taking photos here. And there's like a big shopping mall right behind me here. Wow. Can't really see anything. Not sure if you can see, but I think this is a pretty decent angle to get a picture of the tower. Try it. Oh my god. Those girls don't look like they know how to ride the bike, so I wouldn't take my chances here. Some people like my angle, so I took my spot after I left. Take a few steps back, I'll see if I can get something better. I think this place might be better. I might be able to use this as a foreground, the leaves. Nope, it's a bit too low. Oops, thought my GoPro's gonna fall, but didn't. This is actually quite nice. The tree kind of acts like a foreground for me, and it blocks the train station over there, so I like it. Alright, I think I'm gonna get going. My GoPro's running out of battery. It's funny, I brought my backpack, but now I remember I took out my GoPro batteries. So, I'm gonna get going once this GoPro dies. They're doing like a bowling over there. Let's see if he gets it. Oh. Hey, he got quite a lot of it. So it says if you knock out 10, you'll get 300 yuan, which is around $60. Let's see if he gets it. He missed 3. Yeah, you don't get anything if you hit 3. You have to hit like 8 or above. So I'm guessing it's pretty hard. If they're just giving out free money like that, I'm guessing it's pretty hard. It looks pretty easy, but might not be. I'm walking down into this mall, and it's the mall, I think I said earlier, it's saying where are the young people at, so let's see what they have. Oh, 下班了, okay. They're closing, so alright, I guess I'm leaving. Someone just asked me what I'm holding, and I told him it was a GoPro, and he asked me how much it was. So yeah, I had a brief conversation with him. Yeah, guy seemed pretty nice. He's from here, and yeah, he lives like right over there, I think. Where the bars are at. At least that's what the sign says. It's a snack store I just walked in. See if they have anything Dom would like to snack on. Yeah, I walked around all the aisles. I don't think I see anything that I particularly like, so yeah, not getting anything. I just walked under this. The construction, the crane was actually dropping something on the truck, and I was just right under it. Yeah, that seemed kind of risky. But that was pretty cool. Like it was just like right over my head, the thing that the crane was dropping. It was just right over me, and I was like, oh shoot. But I'm not sure if you can see, but I'm back at the wall, the gates. I think you guys could probably hear the person singing, so pretty close to my hotel. Alright, just made it back to the hotel. Alright guys, I'm gonna put my camera away and go to bed. Dom and I and my family, we have a busy day tomorrow. We're gonna go visit the Terracotta Warriors, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.